Hello and welcome to Math Foundations 1. I'm excited that you're here. My name's Colleen Latimer, and I'm the instructor for this course. I wanted to point out a few things. I know this happens to be an in-person class, which is fantastic for Math 1. We're going to get to do a lot of hands-on stuff. But one of the really important things about Foundations of Math is that each and every class builds on each other. We're building on the skills class by class. And so, while we're adults and have things going on in our lives that may prevent us from attending class, I want to make sure that you know that you have a way to keep up with things so that you don't fall behind and become overwhelmed with the class if you happen to miss a week. Everything that we do in class is also available online. So I just wanted to take a moment to show that to you. And if we go up here to content in this class, we'll be able to see. So at PCC, everything is organized by week. So we have 1 through 10 weeks for the summer. And if we get into any of these, and I'll just pick one at random, you can see once we pick on the week, it's going to introduce kind of the 2 topics that we'll talk about. Look at the objectives of what we've got going on, see the assignments that are due that week and the quiz that is due. Likewise, all the assignments and quizzes can be found online so that you can complete the assignments online as well. But if we look here, like the very first one for the day is decimals. That would be what we're doing on a Tuesday. Rounding would be what we're doing on a Thursday. And I'm going to open those up for you. This is a little warm-up that we'd be looking at in class. And then we get into our handout, some slides as we talk about it. Here's an interactive lesson. When it says interactive lesson, that means that we did something with manipulatives in class. And in this case, if you are checking out online, I want to give you an opportunity to have a little bit of that interactivity also. So if you weren't there to do those things, you can kind of do a little bit of a computer version of the same thing. We were talking about rulers. You'll get a chance to practice on something like this. Drag and drop the value to 1.3, something like that. So you'll have a chance to try some of those things out. I really encourage you doing that, even if a topic was difficult for you in class, might be something that you want to revisit. But if we come on back here, we can see that not only do we have those interactive things to do, but we have the assignment. And also if we move into the Thursday class, that's when we have the quizzes. So you can see if you do this, you have an opportunity to take the quiz online. It'll look just a little bit different for you in the student version, but that's how it works. So I want you to be able to find everything that you need online and not fall behind in this class, not get intimidated. I want to see everybody finish and do a great job. So looking forward to meeting all of you. Please send me questions if you've got them. We'll go into a lot more detail about the course when we meet in person. But the other thing that I would point out to you is to visit this Start Here. You're going to see all kinds of stuff about the class, including the class calendar, which breaks out the topics week by week and the assignments and what's due. So it's a real quick, easy way to check on where we at and see the dates, double check, is this week 3 or week 4? This is where you can find out. And I hope you have a wonderful time, and I can't wait to see you. Thanks.